Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We are on process video number 188 entitled Dream Come True, and this is my second layout featuring the latest Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. Specifically, it features the mini kit from Pink Paisley, the Horizon, and also some embellishment or some items in the embellishment add-on kit. So this is going to be a double page layout, and each of the mini kit comes with 3 pattern papers, some embellishments, and 2 cardstock. I'm using the 2 white cardstock as my base, and then I'm going to kind of create a T design with this page. I don't usually do a T design for some reason. I don't know, that's not my go-to. However, with this layout and how it turned out, I'm really liking it, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to repeat that sometime soon, especially with a double page layout. I also liked how the T design, especially the the horizontal line that goes on the top, it lent itself really well with the 6 3x4 horizontal photos that I have, because it was actually kind of a how do you say it, sequential, like it was one after the other photo of me going up and getting my diploma from graduating with my degree last year. I don't know if you're tired of seeing me with my pictures of me graduating. I know I've done a few of these before already, but I just have a few more to do, and I actually believe that this is my last one, but maybe not. But anyway, so this is another grouping of photos that I wanted to capture with my graduation. So I cut out the beauty of the 3 pattern papers that come with the mini kits is that they're all double-sided, so you can actually get 6 designs, and that's basically what I'm going to do here. Is I'm going to kind of cut them in different sizes so that I can get all of the designs. Now the fun embellishment that I have for this page are butterflies, and I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I just knew that there was this sunburst paper that has kind of a color wheel on there with different bursts of color or pattern and colors, and I really wanted to maximize that piece of paper. So what I did was I grabbed a butterfly punch. I could have done a heart, I could have done circles or whatever, but I thought the butterfly would look nice against the white background. It has some designs and shapes on there, so that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to punch a butterfly with each from each of that sunburst of the paper, and so I will create kind of a rainbow, and then I will just kind of spread that around my photo. I had this idea of creating kind of a loose grid, and that's what I'm going to do. So here I've already punched them. I did use a Martha Stewart punch, and then now I'm kind of measuring what is the width and the height of my butterflies, so I can make lines to create borders, or basically grids on my page, and the grids in between those grids will house my butterflies. So I believe I measured it about 1.5 as far as the width, and then about 1.25 inches with the height. So I'm just using my T ruler and my pencil. I also kind of wanted to do kind of a cascading, not cascading, but kind of like it's not all square look, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do like 3 on the first and the second, I believe, and then I'm going to go with 2 and then 1, so there's kind of a gradiating look, maybe. I can't, you will see it. I don't know how to explain it really well, but you'll see what I was thinking about here. So I'm just kind of play around with the placement of them. I don't want to put like a too closely related colors together. Like if it's in the pink hue, I want them to be separated. If it's in a green hue, they couldn't be close together. And so you're going to see me kind of move around a little bit here. And I did notice that I'm missing a few, like I need more colors, and so I punched out a few more of the butterflies, but instead of using the side where it has the sunburst, I actually used the other side where it has white and subtle yellow designs on there. So here I'm still kind of playing around how I wanted to make this look. At first I didn't want them to kind of be lined up like, you know, very rigid, because that just seems like military way, and and I just didn't see this page looking or needing to look like that. But then I found my sweet spot, which is to kind of stagger them. And then to emphasize the lines that I created, I am going to use just a pen to create some faux stitching lines around it, and I will kind of stagger that as well, so it won't go from, some of them won't go all the way to the bottom. And basically that's what I'm going to do. I'm just doing the right page first, and then off camera I will do the left page. So if I haven't said it already, this is my second layout from the June Flavors of the Month kit. And if you're new to my channel or new to the Flavors of the ScrapRoom Kit Club, they produce a few kits every month, and I would say the most popular one is the Flavors of the Month kit, where you get a mini sampling of 4 collections that are out there. So it's really a good deal, because then you get to try some of the famous collections that are out there without having to invest in all of the papers or all of the items in that collection. So I just love the sampling, and I honestly could tell you that with the Flavors of the Month kit plus the embellishment add-on kit, I get a lot of products for the projects that I create. I get way more products, so I always have a ton of leftovers at the end of the month. And so I decided to add them with some mini glue dots, just so that I could add the centers of it, because I really don't want the sides of it to be stuck. I want to have that kind of flap there and movement with the wings. I'm sure when I put this in my sheet protector in my albums, that they will eventually flat out, but right now I'm just deciding to adhere just the center of it. And then this foam letter sticker is from the embellishment add-on kit, and then they have this word dream, and so I'm going to use that as the base of my title. And then I am going to use some mini stickers from my own stash to kind of finish it off. And I'm just making sure that they're all kind of centered and they have fairly even spacing between each of the letters. I am using, let me see, there's 6, 9, so there's 9 3x4 photos and then 1 4x6. And these mini stickers that I'm using are from My Mind's Eye, and they're from my stash. And basically that is my layout. I will add a few stickers from the sticker sheet that came with the mini kit, and then also like a day later I was looking at the layout and I just felt like the butterflies were missing something, so I will add rhinestones to that. I'm not sure if I had recorded that because I recorded this a few weeks ago. However, you will see that in the final close-up pictures. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you like this video. If you do, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing. I would love to see you again, or have you come back again for another video. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye.